Hey guys, I'm back again. Okay, first of all, Roel is still not here. In the last episode you may have seen it. I kind of stole his Wagyu steak and I kind of grilled it. In this episode I bought my own ribs. But before we tell more about it, just can you do me a favor? Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're almost at 500,000 subscribers and it would be so cool if we can reach that before the Pitmaster comes back. So like and subscribe, hit that bell button and yeah, let's cook some ribs, man. I got Iberico ribs and they're a bit more fat, the ribs that I usually got from Iberico. They look so beautiful. You can see it, man. Look at the amount of fat. And you know, the way I'm gonna cook them is my favorite way. I think most of you people wouldn't expect this, but I like my ribs naked. I like my ribs with a lot of smoke. I'm gonna let the smoke do all the hard work. No sauce, but I got a little secret at the end. Jim, you ever had ribs without sauce?
Not yet.
No? He's gonna love it. I am gonna love it. Well, especially I'm gonna love it because these are my favorite ribs. These are my favorite ribs, man. And I'm not a barbecue legend, but I'm gonna tell you everything that I know and that Pitmaster told me. These ribs look beautiful. There's hardly anything you can do about them to make them better. But I just want to cut off the floppy bits on the sides before I start working on it. Because these bits on the side, they will just burn at the end and they don't have any use. Now we want to take a look at the silver skin. I'm gonna take them off, but you can leave them on if you want to. It's a preference and I like mine without. So I'm gonna set aside this sharp knife because you don't need it. Just take a knife like this. It's not that sharp, so you can't hurt yourself. You gotta make it easy for yourself. So stick your knife in between the bones and just wiggle it a little bit so the silver skin gets loose. And then you can stick your hand in and just rip it off. It's that easy. All right, so now we're gonna talk about the rub, because there is no rub. Well, there is a rub and I'm gonna add flavor, but it's not that much. It's pepper, a little bit, and mostly salt. But even the salt it's not gonna be that much. I wanna keep it simple, I wanna keep it pure. And Iberico, it's all about purity. It's so delicious and you gotta respect the meat. When you have some good ribs, a good cut of meat, a proper Iberico, you want to respect it. You just, yeah, you don't want to add that much. And the smoke is gonna do all the work. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, just a little bit. It's gonna do all the work. It's not gonna look like much, but it's gonna be delicious. I can tell you that. Right, I'm gonna do the other side as well, because what I always like about that is it's gonna get crispy. And I like my ribs a little bit crispy. I wanna feel texture. Texture is important in every food. It's all about texture. And you know, some dishes, they don't have a lot of texture, but that's also the sort of texture you want. For this recipe, I wanna have texture, I wanna have it crispy. So now, I'm not gonna put pepper on this side, only on the top side. And it's not gonna be that much, just a little bit. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Look at it. They're beautiful. And they're ready for the grill. And it's time to smoke. I'm gonna use pellets for this cook. And I'm using the Burnhard smoker. It's the flint. It's so simple. It's basically, everyone can do that. Your children can do this. The dog might even be able to do this because it's so easy. So I have a bag of beautiful pellets here. These are hardwood pellets and they're gonna have so much flavor in them. Your pellet choice is important because they add the smoke flavor. Let's just turn it on and start grilling. All right, we don't have a lot of pellets in, so we're gonna add a little bit more for this cook. Oh yeah, baby. Look at them. Beautiful. It's gonna add so much flavor. We're gonna close this and then you just turn it on, basically. That's what it does. You set it to smoke and just let it start up. I'm gonna set it to around 140 degrees Celsius. And now we'll wait. All right, so now I'm going to lay them in the barbecue, and that's about it. That's how easy it is. Let them smoke. The smoke will do all the work, and I'm just going to sit back and relax. Close the lid, and we're done. Almost, almost. We still have to eat it. It's been around 2.5 hours and they've been smoking like crazy. Let's check, because oh man, they already smell so good. Woo! And look at that. That's exactly the color that we want. And well, they have so much white, so it doesn't look like smoke color at first, but that's because it has all that fat. It's beautiful. And what the Pitmaster always showed me is that, well, you don't really need to measure the temperature of ribs, because you just take your thermometer and when it goes through like, oh man, they're so ready. Look at it. That's insane. I'm getting hungry, but I'm not done. Wait for it. I got a little bit of herb butter and I'm just going to set it inside, and I'm going to already lowered the temperature a little bit. It's at 75 degrees Celsius right now. I'm gonna close the lid and let the butter melt, and then I'm going to do something amazing. I'm putting on all that beautiful herb butter, and oh man, this is gonna be amazing. I mean, it's herb butter. Herb butter is always good. It's always good. I'm going to flip them around because I just want to have a little bit of herb butter on the other side as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the way I like my ribs. Just simple. I mean, honestly, I didn't even make this herb butter. It's from the supermarket. Don't tell who. Don't tell the Pitmaster about it. I don't think he's gonna like it, but you know, I'm a young man. I'm 28 years old and I don't have the time to make herb butter. Close the lid and just give it 1 minute or so, or maybe 2. All right, I think they're done. And I think, well, see for yourself. Does this look beautiful? I think it does. I think it absolutely does. And I think that I have to cut in. Oh, look at all that smoke color. It only takes like 2.5 hours. You're gonna get some beautiful, beautiful smoked ribs. I think we should eat.
Morrison, this looks great.
Lovely. Just lovely.
Oh, you did a good job, man.
It doesn't have a sauce, but it's packed with flavor.
I knew who could cook, but...
And if you look at the outside, you can see those textures, man. There's so much going on. I just love it.
This is a good rib. I think I'm a naked rib person now too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're convinced now?
Yeah. No sauces.
No sauces?
No.
And I know a lot of you guys, you love your barbecue sauces, and I get that. But come on, please, try this once.
Hello. You want the bone? It's very delicious. Okay, bye.
I think Roel should be here.
Yeah, he's definitely proud of you making this.
But I'm proud of you, man. You took my job, I took his job.
Yeah, we did all like different things today. The first bite of the, exactly that, like the first bite.
I think we did something beautiful here.
Definitely.
And I think I want to thank all the Patreons and the YouTube members. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to us. We could really use that 500,000 subscribers. We're almost there, man.
So close.
We're so close.
So close.
We're so close, and we really could use that extra mile. So, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Please like this video so we can create more videos then.
Exactly.
Man. And even if you like enough videos, I could do more videos. And I'm not sure if you guys want that, but if you like that, please comment down below. You guys freaking rock. You're our biggest supporters. I love you guys. I think Roel is gonna come back soon. Really soon.
He will be back soon.
Oh yeah. Don't worry about it. Also good. Well, in the meantime, find this recipe, try it. It's on our website. The link is down below. And hope to see you guys next time, man. Until then.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on
Grilling.
ribs.
A lot of ribs.
Naked ribs.
Like this.
Naked ribs.
Definitely like this.